Welcome back to the channel, folks, and welcome to a whole new video being filmed live right here. You guessed it, in the tree stand. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We've got some good stuff coming and some current good stuff already on the channel, if I do say so myself. In today's video, we're going to show you how to pack the perfect dip. It's not hard, but there's a few techniques you need to know how to make it just right, and I'm going to show them to you. Step one, favorite dip. Mint Copenhagen long cut, my favorite. Second thing you gotta do, you gotta find that perfect spot. Mine's a tree stand. Why wouldn't it be, right? Now the first step before you get that dip, you just gotta make sure your lip is ready and stretched out so you can get enough dip in there to make it worth it. That's probably good right there. And then I like to take my can and I like to pack it really, really good. That'll do too, just like that. And once that can is just nice and packed, open her up. Ooh, take that whiff. That smells delicious. I'd sprinkle that on ice cream if I had some right now. Don't take a little bit. Don't take a little more than a little bit. Take that whole can, just like that. Get it all in your mouth. Give it a good squeeze, right? Take your lip and you take your dip and you just fucking throw that shit away because it's nasty and nobody likes dirty, nasty teeth from dip. Well, folks, that's how you pack the perfect dip. I hope you learned something. Remember, subscribe to that channel and like the video. Have a good one, guys. I'll see you at the next one.